Okay, y'all, so I gotta use this wrench to take my old one off because it's really tight up there. Okay, y'all, so this is how the floors look before. I'm gonna hook it up in here. Okay, y'all, it's the next day, and so the floors are dry down into that mortar or whatever, the laying stuff. And Jazz, what the fuck are you doing to these people? Like, listen, trust the process, because I'm trusting the process. I'm ghetto. So we got 2 more new boxes of our towels, and we're about to just get it popping. It should be like this consistency. I'm just filling these parts. Okay, so this is how it's looking after I put the black grout on top of all the towels. It's working. I've been using this sponge to wipe it away. Some of that stuff up there too long. I'm just going and scrub it as best I can. Over time, it probably is chop off. Who knows? Like, I'm tired of doing the floor. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Like, it came packaged very well. I'm excited, y'all. let me finish putting baskets alive. In this corner here. Okay, so we got the bigger one up. But anyway, this is how this is looking. It's looking, I'm loving it. So nice. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm very much so loving it. Let me show y'all. So what we're gonna do is remove stuff. This right here, you just want to turn it off. Make sure that's turned all the way off. Then you see this hose here. That's what you want to get. So let's just make sure it's off. Now they're both off. All right, next step. So secondly, I really need to remove all this stuff from off my sink. Okay, so now what you want to do is remove these supply lines from up there too. You want to remove those, and you want to remove this from here. So I gotta go get a wrench. Hold on. There's the two cords. I got them out. Now I'm about to take off those two black pieces. They have to come off. Okay, so that's those two pieces. They looking once you take that out. Okay, so now we can go ahead and remove the faucet. It should be easy to come out. See? Damn. So I'm gonna spray this with bleach. I'm gonna add the new faucet. Okay, y'all, so I got this connected. You see it has that foam in there. So let's cut the hot and cold water back on to see how it works. That way is hot and that way is cold. Whoa, y'all see the black run out. Oh, this feels good. Ooh, it splashes. Let's turn it down. This is so pretty. Okay, y'all, so I got the faucet installed, but I still have to figure out how to do this stopper. But maybe somebody will help me on YouTube, hopefully. Okay, so right now I'm just removing this. It's not as nasty as I thought, but I see some hair up in there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but ew. It's not as bad as I thought though. Look at that. Ew. That's the old one, guys. Ew. Trash. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I cleaned it out, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and change this part. That waterproof silicone around it because just to make it stay. That's how it looks now. So I'm about to replace these faucet handles as well, but just pop that out with a knife. My hands look dry as hell. That's how they look. Ew. Guys, so all I did was started twisting, and that's how I got that to come off. It ain't working out, y'all, so something I could just put those clear ones up there. And then it'll just be clear and black. That's not ugly. And this is the old one. So I'm gonna remove that and put this one in there. You can see it much better now, but it is not screw in. It is just this matte black, flat black color. This paper towel holder. It's so cute. I actually had to add an extra screw for the one in the middle because it really made it like that thing ain't going nowhere, okay? Put all my stuff back in there, how it belongs. It'll be white tomorrow. Okay, y'all, so this is the first coat. I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna come back and do a second coat. Okay, y'all, so this is how it's looking after I added the hardware. Okay, so I'm gonna spray paint the hardware on this cabinet as well. So now I figured it out. Okay, y'all, so I figured it out. Basically, I slid it in there after I attached the attachments. Stressing me out. Okay, you place these up there and mark the holes. Taking a 6mm drill bit. Gonna use two studs this time. I could have just bought a shower curtain, right? I could have just bought a shower curtain, but I mean, like, that wouldn't have been cute, would it have? That wouldn't have been what I wanted. I think I got it this time, y'all. From the inside, it looked great. And this is how the inside look. We pull it to, it ain't gonna close all the way because I just don't know. The magnet don't fit properly.